to Jayashree Balan-Learn Astrology. Today, the subject is Ketu in Danishta Nakshatra, requested by all my viewers. The request is too much for this particular video. So, comparatively, it is a high. That is why today I am making it in English. Before starting, if you want consultation, you can reach me through jayasreebalan@gmail.com. If you want to learn astrology, you can go through my website, astrojayasreebalan.com. So, first two padas, Danishta Nakshatra means first and second pada in Capricorn, and the third and fourth comes into the Aquarius. So I am going to explain. Capricorn is the one, that is where Mars is exalting over there, and then Ketu is the shadow planet of the Mars. So here Ketu is comfortable. So it is not making any much difference between the third and fourth pada. So I am not going to exclusively explain about the Capricorn, because almost I explain in all the nakshatra there. So this I know I am going, because one more thing is from the Capricorn, opposite side is the water sign, Cancer. So it is cool. Both are planned. When the earth will shine, the water should be fall on the rain should be fall on the earth. Then only the earth will grow. This is Capricorn is the earth. Okay. So here, moreover, my Ketu is also actually in Danishta Nakshatra in Capricorn. So I am mostly inclined towards the spiritual level. Okay. Now I am it is a peculiar, not we should not say the peculiar. It is a unique nature of the something different nature Aquarius, because Aquarius is the one, or our life hidden secret is full belong into the Aquarius. Aquarius is the not only group activities. Why it is the group activities? All whatever we are going through, it is in the Aquarius. So I am going to explain first the story, then only I will bring it to the Danishta Ketu in the Danishta Nakshatra. Because the Aquarius, why it is the group activity? Because for getting the nectar out of the ocean, there is a what we have to say, the object, that is the Manthara mountain, and then Vasuki is the cord for the churning the ocean, and then one side, the head of the Sarpa, there was a demons, and then tail side is the gods. Because I used to say God in the sense, it is the Devagana which is represent Vishnu, and the Asura Gana, Buddha Gana, whatever you say, that is from the Shivaji. So both are male god. Vishnu and Shiva is the male god, and it is a group activities. So that is why it is the social friend, social group activity. That is why we are considering Aquarius is the something special which is hidden. Because while churning the ocean goes up and down, up and down. Same way, our life is also going up and down. From the starting of our birth, while crossing the ocean of life is like a ocean. We have to cross the other side of the ocean. So we are going through the lot of ups and downs, monetary gain, monetary loss. There is won't be a will. Sometimes we will face a bad people. Sometimes we will face a good people. So all these things consider while doing this turning of the ocean. It is because of that only we are going through all these things. Okay. So while doing all these things, then after that, after churning everything, the not first nectar has not come. First, Lakshmi Devi came out of the pot full of wealth, money. Lakshmi, she is the Lakshmi. Later she married the Vishnu. Okay. So what is Danishta? Danishta was Dhan. Dhan is the wealth. Not only wealth is the knowledge. All the knowledge, it is underneath of the ocean. The ocean is one. It is everything represented. So many, our worlds, everything came out of that ocean only. But the thing is, we cannot go, simple people cannot go underneath of the ocean and see what is happening over there. Same way, what is going to happen next day for us, that we don't know. We cannot go and reach everything. God is in front of us, we cannot feel it. We are saying that we don't know God is there or not there. Everything, whatever we are using it, everything came out of the ocean. Even animals, knowledge, so many things. We have to, this is the simple 10 minutes video. I cannot explain all these things, and my English is also poor. So, it is everything underneath of the ocean, which is the brought out of the ocean by the Kurma Avatara of the Vishnu. Okay, so the Rahu, everything came because of that only. So the story is extended into the how the Rahu and Ketu separated. Surbhanu's head was cut. Everything Ketu and what is the reason for Ketu? What is the reason for Rahu? Everything. The story is exclusively every astrologer has explained. So the thing is, Danishta in the sense it is the not only well, it is the knowledge, super duper knowledge. That everything, whatever we are going through, it is in that activities only it happened to us. Okay. After that, Mars is the Danishta is the Mars nakshatra. So Mars is the male nakshatra. More than that, the opposite side, Leo. Leo is also sun. Sun is also fire. Mars is also fire, Sun is also fire. That one reason, not only this reason, another one is after the nectar came out, then they have to, because the demons and gods work together. So they says, if you work together, so all the nectar you have to give it in the proper way. Because it should be separated to give it to the equally. But if the demons take the nectar, then the world will be in problem. That is why Vishnu took a NH, what you have said, duality of the sex. Okay, in that way he came out, and then that story also you guys know. So here the Dhanishta in the sense it is kind of Ketu. That not only the we should not say blankly it is Dhanishta. When Ketu in Dhanishta Nakshatra, then there is a NH. Yeah, we have to say it is another. It is so many story is revolving in the nakshatra only, because Vishnu, the Ayyappa born to the Sabarimala Ayyappa, born through the male and male, because Vishnu took a Mohini Avatara, and the Shiva Vishnu, through the Shiva Vishnu only Ayyappa came out. So there is a Dakshinamurti, Shiva Vishnu, also that is what we can say, Ardhanarishwarar, the Shiva gave of the body of the to Parvati. So same stories, and then it is in front of the thing also, Leo also fire. So what it hidden represents is in the sense these natives may be comfortable with the same sex, meaning gay or what he has to say, some female to female something that. So they are this kind of things can happen. Yeah, and this is only the major problem. But what we have to say, if the normal people, so first pada and second pada is when the Capricorn, it is the first pada is the Saturn's house. Saturn is over there. So it is they are into the always property, always into the means they occult knowledge, spirituality, like that. Second one, Mercury is that. Mercury and Saturn, and then means Mars combination. There can be a little theft can happen in their house. And then here third pada, if the ladies there is a lot of, because Ketu Sara is coming into play. So that is why they are having a lot of we can say miscarriage. And then fourth pada is Venus. So they are having abundant knowledge, abundant wealth. They will be very rich enough. There can be a that is a good for them. They will be very wealthy. That is this much only I know about Ketu in Danishta Nakshatra. I am comfortable with my own language, but even though I try to explain because of your demand, if there is any saying lesbian, one thing now I just now it came in mind. That is gays or lesbian, that kind of thing. Particularly if Ketu is sitting in the nakshatra of Danishta, and it will be if it is in the third and fourth pada, only this kind of the problem will be comes rising. So thanks for watching my channel.